Hi guys, this is Martin and welcome to Martin Takes. One of my ex-colleagues, Mose, he asked me about a pork fried rice, which he thinks is really good, but he can't find the recipe of that. Then I asked him try to describe what pork fried rice are you talking about because there's just so many. With a bit of investigation, he's actually talking about Yangzhou fried rice, 扬州炒饭. It is one of the most common fried rice dishes in Hong Kong. And most, I did try to look on the internet, try to look for an English version of Yangzhou fried rice for you. However, there's none. Therefore, I'm making this video with this recipe for you. Sounds good? Let's start. For ingredients, we have salt, soy sauce, char siu, prawn, spring onion, eggs, and the most important thing, rice. First of all, we need to cut char siu and spring onion into small pieces. For the prawn, we need to remove the shell and also clean the inner line. And then we have to cut the prawn in half. If the prawn is small enough, we don't have to cut it. For the eggs, we need to mix them with a bit of salt. When all ingredients are ready, we have to heat up the char siu first and also cook the prawn for a little bit. And now it's almost the final bit. We have to fry the egg first and then put the rice on top of it and slowly stir frying it. Make sure we stir fry the rice enough until it becomes a little bit dry. And then we will add the prawn and char siu into it. Again for the rice, please stir fry it for at least 5 minutes. Otherwise you're just mixing rice with the ingredients but not fried rice. We add a little bit of salt. And now we can add the prawn and the char siu together. Add a bit of soy sauce with the fried rice. And finally, add the spring onion. Hi Mose, so this is the Yangzhou fried rice. If you got any question about the tutorial, feel free to leave a message below. Please give me a thumb up, share my video and subscribe to my channel. And also hit the bell for new video notice. Again, please tell me what you want me to make for my next video too. Alright, see you later.